Hey Lions, what if 3 minutes could change your next hour? Today we're using the LionUP B reset to lower the noise in your head so you can take the wheel and make one small move toward gold. Are you stuck? Working hard but still broke and confused? Trying to feel confident but caught in FOMO and scroll mode? We were all told the American dream looked like this: go to college, get a job, buy a house, retire comfortably. That used to work. Now it leads to student debt, dead-end jobs, financial stress, and 60% of Gen Z feel lost about their future. We need a different plan. One that actually leads to freedom, clarity, and purpose. Meet Stuck. He looks like reality, but he's the voice that keeps you small, safe, and stuck. Stuck says, what if I fail? LionUP says, what if I succeed? But here's the truth. Stuck lies. Every time you choose to lion up instead of listening to Stuck, you take one step closer to your gold zone. Stuck isn't your fault, but staying stuck is a choice. Here we lion up, one tiny win at a time. We move from bronze to silver to the gold zone. We build self-mastery, career clarity, and money confidence to live independently. You have one life. Live it on your terms, not anyone else's. Let's begin. I'm Yakira Didia, your independence guide, the creator of LionUP and the Gold Zone Cycle. Want to escape stuck? Subscribe, follow, share this with a friend, and grab the independence quiz in the description. There are days when your brain feels like a crowded room and everyone is shouting your name. On those days, telling yourself, just focus, doesn't work. You need a tiny ritual to lower the volume enough to take a step. This isn't fancy. It's not a cure. It's just a way to calm the noise and create space for action. Reset in 3. Breathe, BWM. Breathe, write, move. BWM. Breathe for 1 minute, write for 1 minute, move for 1 minute. Breathe. Take 3 slow breaths to calm your nervous system and signal safety. Write 1 honest line about your next tiny step. Not heroic, just doable. Move, gentle movement to tell your body we're safe. We're here. Yesterday I had to reply to a message that felt bigger than it was. My chest got tight and I heard Stuck say, do it later. Instead of fighting that feeling, I used the reset. Breathe. I took 3 slow breaths, felt my feet on the floor, and let my shoulders drop. Then I wrote, reply to Maya scares me because I want to say it right. Enough honesty to stop the spinning. And then you move. Stood up, rolled my shoulders, walked to the window for a few seconds. So after breathe, write, and move, start. Sit down, type 2 kind sentences, and hit send. The day changed direction. Try the BWM with me now. Don't make it dramatic. We're just practicing. Wherever you are, close your eyes if you can, or soften them. 1 is breathe. Breathe slowly through your nose. 1, 2, 3. We're going to inhale. Hold it for 3. 1, 2, 3. Then exhale. 1, 2, 3. So let's do it again. Inhale for 3. Hold it for 3. Exhale for 3. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3. So that was the first time. We're going to do it for 2 more times. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. And the third time, inhale. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 2, 3. Exhale. Okay, so that's the B, the breathing for 1 minute. W, you write for 1 minute. Write 1 honest line. Finish this sentence. The next tiny step is pick something you could do in 2 minutes or less. Okay, so you're just writing down something that you want to do. And 3, so we have the breathing, writing, and now moving. Move your body gently. Shake out your hands, roll your neck, stretch your arms. Tell your body we're safe. Now comes the part people skip. We start small. Set a 2-minute timer and do the thing you just wrote. Don't worry about finishing. Worry about starting. If the timer rings and you want to stop, stop. You still win. The win is the start. If you want to keep going, beautiful. Ride that wave. Why BWM works. Your nervous system needs proof that action is safe. Each step serves a purpose. So when you breathe, breathing equals safety. It signals your nervous system that you're not in danger. When you write, it gives your brain something concrete to grab onto. When you moved, it tells the freeze response that you have options. Okay? And when you start, that's your identity. It teaches yourself, I'm the kind of person who begins. I'm doing things. I'm going for it. I'm a lion. I'm doing things. Confidence grows from action, not the other way around. The BWM reset just lowers the bar so action can happen without a fight. A student told me, I keep avoiding my financial aid email. We did the reset together. 3 breaths, 1 line, open the email and read the first paragraph. Stand, stretch, 2-minute timer. She read the first paragraph, timer went off, she smiled. That was all I was scared of. 2 minutes later, she had her next step written down. Gold equals motion mindset, not perfection. If you try this today and it feels awkward, great. Awkward means you're practicing a new groove. New grooves feel weird at first. Keep it tiny, keep it kind, and let the win be the start, not the finish. Your path home to gold. Write this somewhere, you'll see it. When loud inside, 3-minute BWM reset, 2-minute start. That's your little path home to gold. When the room gets noisy, remember, breathe, write, move. Then start tiny. Under the skin, we're all lions. When a young lion leaves the pride, it's not because it's ready to do everything. It's because it's ready to learn. I'm Yakira Didia, your independence guide. Remember, stuck isn't your fault, but staying stuck is a choice. Be kind, be brave, lion up.
Are you stuck?
Come on!